Hello and welcome to the very first video in the What the Hell series, and today we're going to talk about what the hell is useState and how to use it. Let's get into it. So useState is used to declare a new state variable in React hooks. It's hella similar to setState in class components, but it's a lot simpler than using this.state. All you need to do to use useState is import useState and create a const declaration and an array where on the 0th index is your current state of your useState variable, and at your index 1 is your variable name used to update your current state, and at the very end is where your initial state value is stored. Alright, so let's demonstrate useState in action. So I have a brand new React app made and started up, and the first thing that I'm going to do is convert this into ES6 syntax. So I'll do const app is equal to parentheses arrow function, and I'm going to import useState right next to my import React right here in curly braces. So useState, and now I'm going to make a useState variable. So right underneath my const app I will do const array brackets number and set number is equal to useState and 0. So you can see right here we have our variable declaration const, and right next to that at the 0th index we have our current state, and right next to that we have our variable name used to update our current state called set number, and our initial value will be set to 0. Cool, so now I'm going to create a p tag, and I'm going to target in curly braces our number variable, and right underneath that I will create a button tag, and I'll just call it update number. And if you save that, go back into our application, we should see a number 0 and we have update number. Awesome, so now let's make our button work so that every single time we click it, it'll update the number and add 1 to it every time. So what I'm going to do is make a on click, oops, not an on can play, on click is equal to curly braces, and I'm going to make a function set number. So I'm going to target the set number right here. In parentheses I'm going to target number plus 1. Alright, so now if we test it out, we will see that whenever we click update number, it'll update the state of our number useState variable and automatically adds 1 to it every single time. Alright, so I hope this video helped you out figure out how to use useState, what it is, and if it helped you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.